The OLED display improves the handheld mode by boosting visual quality, brightness, and contrast. The improved stand that comes included provides a more stable tabletop perch. The updated OLED version's performance needs to improve compared to more modern portables like the Steam Deck and the ROG Ally. However, until the rumored Nintendo Switch 2 arrives, the Nintendo Switch OLED is a viable purchase thanks to its affordable pricing and extensive game library. Screen. The OLED display is the most exciting part of this device. OLED displays are nothing new to me on computers and televisions, but their impact on the Nintendo Switch took me aback. The OLED panel's higher contrast and more accurate colors greatly enhance the picture quality. The colors seem more alive and the display seems brighter. There is no mistaking the color accuracy, as the previously pinkish background is now completely white. The OLED model brings more realism to games like Breath of the Wild by enhancing the contrast between sunlight and cave shadows. The Switch OLED makes the 3D cutscenes in Metroid Dread look fantastic with enhanced vibrancy. The Switch OLED avoids burn-in problems, one of the possible drawbacks of OLED displays, by entering an automated sleep mode after a period of inactivity. There is a discernible increase in breadth because the screen size increases from 6.2 to 7 inches. To allow this modification, Nintendo shrank the bezel while keeping the overall size and weight the same. Notable features include Joy-Con support and the lack of a solution for Joy-Con drift. Maintaining a 720p resolution is appropriate for the screen size. I'd rather have a few extra pixels when playing on the go than a more significant device with a shorter energy life. Design. Even beyond the eye-catching OLED display, Nintendo has tweaked the design to give it a high-end feel. The new full-width rear stand in particular improves steadiness and allows for a wide range of angle adjustments. The OLED model's plastic body has a more excellent texture and is better at hiding fingerprints. This isn't aimed at kids like the first Switch was. Instead, it's aimed at adults. Improved sound quality from the speakers and Bluetooth connectivity allows for hands-free headphones. There are standard controls, connections, and a slot for game cartridges. Internal connectors, such as local area network for wired internet and cable routing for a neater configuration, are now visible in the dock's new, more sturdy form. Disappointingly, there has been no change to the docking chip, thus TV output still maxes out at 1080p. Performance and battery life. The Switch OLED's biggest flaw is that it has the same underwhelming performance as the original 2017 model because it has the same NVIDIA TEGRA processor. Playing while docked on a giant TV reveals pixel visibility concerns and a lack of resolution enhancement, which are fine when playing on the go. You might notice a significant difference if you're used to playing on high-end systems like the PS5 or Xbox Series X. Docked mode enthusiasts may be disappointed to learn that a higher powerful GPU isn't available. The Switch's third-party support could weaken as more games shift to cloud-only choices and rivals release games that require a powerful graphics processing unit (GPU). The Xbox Series S might be more appealing if you're looking for a cheap console without worrying about portability. The Switch OLED's battery life is far better than the standard Switch LCD, lasting about 5 hours when playing titles like Metroid Dread and Breath of the Wild. In comparison to other high-powered portables, this time frame is impressive. Games and software. The complete game library for the original Switch and Switch Lite can be played on the Nintendo Switch OLED. Its impressive library has titles ranging from Super Mario Odyssey and Breath of the Wild to Mario Kart 8 Deluxe and Tears of the Kingdom to Metroid Prime Remaster and Splatoon 3. Even though they've worked hard to bring AAA games like Elden Ring and Star Wars Jedi survivors in the system, its old processor lags behind the PS5 and Xbox Series X. Nintendo has leveraged cloud technology to make games like Marvel's Guardians of the Galaxy and Hitman 3 playable on the Switch. However, a consistent internet connection is required. You may play classic games like the NES, SNES, Sega Mega Drive, and 64, Game Boy, and Game Boy Advance in the Nintendo Switch Online catalog. Despite its drawbacks, the Switch is still a great console for playing old Nintendo favorites. Aside from that, non-gaming features like parental controls and simple data transfer are still present and accounted for. However, problems such as a sluggish eShop, the need for a third-party program to handle voice chat, and the total absence of trophies remain. Thanks for watching. If you want more videos like this one, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on any of our videos.